Hello friends, good morning. Today in the morning I have come to this side. This is actually the jungle area and this is jungle side area actually, and there are so many bushes, plants and trees here you can see, and I have come for the purpose of morning walk this side and to be fresh. Actually I come this side every day and enjoy the beautiful scenery of the nature. So friends, you can also enjoy the beautiful scenery of the beautiful nature. Actually what you are doing in the morning I don't know, but I come to this side every day to be freshen up and to be active. I come to this side every day for the purpose of morning walk and to be freshen up. Look, there are so many tall trees, and these trees are called actually sal trees. You might have seen these trees in the so many jungles. So there are also these trees here I am showing you, and there are so many bushes this side, and sun is rising now. It is actually morning. The time is about 7:30 a.m. So friends, let's enjoy the beautiful nature, jungle, and you know that the trees gives us oxygen to breathe in, and they take carbon dioxide. So actually the trees are always helping us to survive our life. So friends, actually we should not cut down the trees. We should plant more and more trees like this, so that our nature will be remain calm, quiet and beautiful, as well as healthy also. Nowadays government has taken so many initiative to plant the trees more and more in the bare lands, so that this planet, I mean the beautiful world, can be saved from global warming. You can feel and know that the year by year the warm is getting increased. So the creatures are facing so many problems, so that what we should do is just plant many trees wherever you may be. You should plant trees for yourself as well as for others and for your uh, next generation, so that they can also experience the beautiful nature and beautiful scenery of this planet. So friends, I am continuing my morning walk today, as well as I am showing you the beautiful nature and the beautiful sight of this jungle area. And in front of me, that side, there is a dam, and there are no water in the dam. Actually in the rainy season the dam gets full of water, but in the other season it remains actually dry. So friends, this blog is for today. Is I am stopping it here, and the next blog I will show you another beautiful scenery of the nature. And till then, take care and bye bye. Good morning everybody friends. Thank you.